Have a trip to up north, Lake Superior. So, nandyan na po yung mga gamit namin. Ready to go up north.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw. My husband will drive for 6 hours from here.
Yeehaw!
Are you ready, my love?
Well, yeehaw!
Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back for my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna share to you. So this coming Sunday, we're gonna go back to Lake Superior. Gusto namin dalhin yung boat para makapunta kami sa Picture Rock mismo, hindi yung Picture Rock cliff. Pag Picture Rock cliff, makikita mo lang yung mga cliff nila, mga design, pero malayo ka. Pero yung pag pupunta ka doon, then dalhin namin yung boat. So siguro mahawakan ko yung Picture Rock. So, yan po yung pinaka-known na sa buong mundo, yung tourist area. Malayo lang, 6 hours driving from Battle Creek going to up north. And then, yan pinakamalaking lake, and then border yan sa US, and then border sa Canada. So, ayan mga kadigma. So, ako lang nag-isa kasi si Mike nasa ano siya, nag-fishing siya with his friends. And then, tapos na pinakain ko yung mga aso. Ayan. Nandiyan yung mga aso. Kasi guys, ang daming mga balahibo. Diyan kasi sila natutulog. Hindi naman pwede sa labas kasi hindi po maganda. At saka dito, iba yung ano sa Amerika. May balaod talaga yun. Anyway, so ayan. Di pa ako nag-breakfast. Nagutom ako, guys. So, mamaya mag-prep. So, here is like we are emoting. So we're gonna go.
This is my fishing spot. I lived on this lake for 20 years. Gull Lake. Kalamazoo County, Michigan.
There's people not fishing there. Mostly you park there, man.
One of those fish we're going to feed to the dogs and cats. It's a largemouth bass. Yeah, the water's beautiful for swimming. Perfect temperature.
And there's a geyser. It's not geyser, it's wild duck. Here in Garlic, guys. Dito ako naligo. So, ang ganda dito. And for today's video, I'm here in Garlic, US. Hindi ba halata guys? Wala pa akong Lego. Kahapon guys is 105 degrees Celsius, too hot. Pero ngayon bumagsak siya ng 26 degree. So Sususuin ko. Grabe kahapon para masunog ka. Sana yun. Hanapin yung mga kalingan. Ngayon mag-alas 9 na ng gabi pero maliwanag pati na yung araw. Alas 4. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh my God. Ito yun ang party speaker. Karaoke. Bakit ito masasira? Ayan. So, punong-puno. Iba, ilipat ko kaya ito baka masira. Ano ko?
So did the old guy have to go to court or anything?
I don't know, but everybody was praising him. I mean, he was all over the news. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Good shot! Yeah.
Right between the eyes.
So, ayan mga kalin. Mukhang iriwan na pa. Dami pang ilalagay dyan. Marami pang ilalagay ng prutas. So, ayan. Lake Superior, punta kami bukas. So, 6 hours drive. Galing to sa Battle Creek, papuntang Lake Superior. So, kasama namin yung isang Pinay na nakapag-asawa ng American. So, ayan. So, see ya. Prepare na kami. The room is closed kasi mga aso. Naku, magpistahan dyan sa loob. Tsaka dito. Ayan. Grabe guys, happy holiday, 4th of July here in US, so that's why a lot of people going to vacation. So, ang daming mga tao siguro doon. So, ayan, mga erong makulit, kulit yan. Yan, Uji. Nako po. Let's go, Mala.
I think it's time to go.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'll go with just a couple more minutes.
Coffee. Malam. Yes na kami, guys. Let's go, man. Rock, man. Natabunan. Alright, bye for now. Bye.